Hi, this is Paul Carlson, CPA with AE Velocity. Deltek Ajera is a browser-based application that only works in a few select supported browsers. From here, we're looking at the Ajera hardware requirements, and this is where it states that Ajera only runs in Internet Explorer 11 or later and Microsoft Edge. So note that you need IE or Edge to run Ajera. So Mac users either have to find some way to install Windows on their Macs and connect into Ajera, or Mac users need to log into a terminal server or other service that has IE installed, and then from there go ahead and log into Ajera. If you dig into the support details for Ajera, there's also mention that it will also run on Firefox, but you need to manually install the .NET framework. So if you really need to run something other than a Microsoft product, you can try Firefox. Now that said, you can log into Ajera with several other browsers. You can log into Ajera with Chrome and you can log into Ajera with Safari, but only small pieces of the tool will work. That as soon as you start to run Project Command Center or start to enter expenses, you'll get error messages. So let's take a look at what that looks like. And so here we've logged into Ajera sample data from Chrome browser. And you can log in and it looks like things are working, but then you go to run Project Command Center or some other functions and you get this error. And what this is saying is you need to install a supported browser, which means you need IE or Edge. So some people can make this work for little pieces they need from an unsupported browser. Most of the time you just want to use a supported browser so the app works the way it needs to. And with that, that's a quick introduction of the supported browsers for Ajera. This video is a part of our Deltek Ajera new user guide. There's a link in the description below that will take you to a full course that's free from our website. Thanks. Bye.